I don't know. That's where it says I have to
It's
go.
1 minute away? Wait.
Oh,
It's not very far. It's like right around the block.
Thanks for walking.
No, sorry. We were in the back. So
You're good, you're good. You're good.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Happy New Year's.
Oh, Happy New Year's, right? Time flies. Where are you going to?
Decadence.
Decadence.
It's a rave party.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Sounds fun. It's gonna be cold tonight.
It is. A little bit chilly.
Yeah. Do you have a jacket with you?
I do not, but it's gonna be hot. We're gonna be dancing, so it'll be
Makes
fine.
sense.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
I love your lights.
Oh, thank
Yes.
you.
How fun.
Hey, you guys try this one then.
Yeah, he's got
Extra
What?
fun.
He's got extra fun.
Fun.
Oh my god, look at snowflakes right here.
Right?
That's perfect.
There
I
you
love
go.
that.
I love that. Oh my god.
Right?
I'm keeping these.
This is so fun.
Yeah,
oh
and
my
the-
goodness.
Oops.
You're awesome.
Hey,
All right.
don't be high, okay?
Extra tip.
We're not high yet.
Okay.
We'll get there.
Or get there.
Yeah, we'll get there. Yeah. I mean,
funny.
yeah. Look outside with the all the lights, you know, turn to snowflake.
I know, they're so pretty.
Yeah. Right.
And I love that these glasses work on all the way.
Yeah.
Not just so. How long have you been doing this?
Oh, this glasses thing?
No, just driving.
Because apparently you know what's up.
Right. I think it's been 3 years.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
That
Where are you
explains
from?
From Broomfield.
Okay,
Where?
Broomfield, not too far.
Not too far. Yeah.
We live in the Springs, in Colorado
Wait,
Springs.
what? Really?
it.
Yeah.
Far away.
Yes. Just here for the night.
Oh my god.
I know.
Hey, hopefully it'll be amazing tonight.
It will be.
Yeah.
It's already starting off amazing. With these lights. Come on.
Glad to hear that.
Every stop sign is a freaking snowflake. What is going
Beautiful.
on?
Imagine if we were high, like.
Right.
Yeah.
We'd be tripping balls right now.
Yeah. That's why I said don't be high.
Might be too much.
Yeah.
Might not be able to handle it. It's perfect for the holiday season.
Love it.
Right? Glad you guys like it.
Thank you. We needed this.
Oh, keep it?
Can we keep it?
Okay. It's fine. I mean, yeah,
Do
you
you
can
have
keep
more?
it.
If you don't have more, I'm gonna give you yours back.
I have
Yes,
2
I will.
more.
No, I'll give you
You have
yours
more.
back. You need these for future
You
experiences.
do.
I mean, I'm planning to have different one too.
You really?
Yeah.
For like the next holiday, like hearts and stuff for Valentine's Day?
Just for normal days, you know. I'm gonna
Okay, yeah.
hanging there, like over here with the strings,
Yep.
and the people can use it for free. You know, like
I love that.
yeah, with the flake, snowflake or stars
Yeah.
or
That's
heart.
so cool.
Yeah.
How fun. I love that.
What's your plan then after
We're
this?
just gonna hang out. We got some friends that are visiting from out of town, so we're gonna meet up with them and
Cool.
just have a good night.
Nice.
Yeah. We only come up here every once in a while to party.
Just for tonight?
Just for tonight. We came up here for Halloween.
Gotcha.
Did the same kind of thing.
Nice.
But we're just working and
Yeah,
you
it's
know.
kind of busy, right?
Yeah.
It's far away.
Yeah. But it's fun to come up here every once in a while.
Right, I love that.
Yeah.
I mean, do you guys have any like hot springs around
Not in
Colorado?
the springs.
Yeah.
We really don't. It's more in the mountains, more
Right.
west of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But why then? You know, the name of city is Colorado Springs.
Yeah, we've
I
been
don't know.
trying to go to Buena Vista to the hot springs there.
Yeah,
Actually.
that'll be fun.
Yeah, but there's closer hot springs to here than there is Colorado Springs. I think Glenwood Springs is closer to here.
Oh, Glen?
Yeah, Glenwood. Yeah.
Glenwood. Gotcha. They'll be fun because I'm planning to go there.
Oh, good. Yeah, it's beautiful up there.
Yeah.
That's just snowflakes everywhere.
She loves it.
Yeah.
I'm
Hey,
sorry.
you know what? You can keep it.
He said, you know what? That's
Yeah.
for you.
Hey, keep it.
Love it.
That's so cool. Where'd you find these?
Yeah.
I mean, I went to LED Light Festival
Okay.
and I got those for free, you know?
Oh, no kidding.
It is.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's so cool. I love that.
This is so fun when you're drunk.
This is
I
great.
know, right?
Even better when we're not driving.
Not driving.
Do you have to rent this car or is this your car?
This is my car.
Okay,
You
cool.
can tell.
Yeah.
Uber.
Well, I'm just wondering because like some people rent their Uber cars. And
Yeah, some people
own
does, yeah.
them, so
Right.
I never know.
And they pay for it, like
Yeah.
$200 per month or something like that.
Okay, that's not bad.
You're on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Uber Lee.
I got to-
I mean, I
YouTube.
recently started it, so you know I don't have many subscribers yet.
Yeah.
But-
we got you.
Oh, thank
We will
you.
be your subscriber.
Are we here already?
I think so. Dress is here. I'm
Okay,
not sure
well,
what
let
it
me-
is.
Let me make sure that they are here. Listen, he's cool. He deserves.
I know.
He deserves.
There you go.
tips
Hey,
to-
you
Give
can
this
give
to the
it.
people that needs it.
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah, they will
You
love
sure?
it. Yes, yes. You're amazing. Let me just make sure
Happy
that they
New
are
Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year's. All right.
Alright.
Yeah, I mean, come back if you couldn't find it. All right, I'll be
Oh
here.
no, we'll be fine. Yeah, we'll be fine.
All right. All right, have fun, guys.
Thank you. Have a good New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year's.
Bye.
Bye. 사람들이 나이스하네. 응? 아주 나이스해. 아, 너무 좋아하니까 주고 싶어. 가져도 되는데 진짜 이거 제가 그 LED 라이트 축제 갔다가 받아가지고 공짜로 받은 건데 근데 되게 좋은 아이디어인 것 같아. 왔다. It's not here?
I think we gave you the wrong. It must have put in the wrong address. It's.
Welcome back.
Hold on. All right. Hold on. It is. I thought I put this. What does it say in your thing? Oh, I guess you know. I don't know if you can check
Yeah,
it.
it's gone.
Can I pay you again? How do we do this? I don't know. I don't know. That's where it says I have to
It's
go.
1 minute away? Wait.
Oh, we're
It's
just
not
like-
very far. It's like
yeah.
right around the block. It's on the
Okay.
other side.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Right. Let me see.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It is so cold out there.
Now you guys have to subscribe my channel.
I know, right? After all this time.
And then, add some, comments. Oh, he's amazing. Just kidding. Now I hire you.
Now I get it. Now it all makes sense. Oh, how funny. Okay, alright. So much.
You're welcome.
Here?
Yeah, it's,
I think it's over there,
in
right?
This, yeah, it's
At
in
the
this
intersection.
building right here.
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Yeah, it's upstairs because it's like an apartment thing. So.
Here?
Left.
Left. Gotcha.
On the left. Thank you
Alright.
so much.
You're welcome,
awesome.
guys.
Have a wonderful night.
All right, don't get lost. Bye. 이게 바로 after service인가요? After service? 뭔가 다 빌딩들밖에 없어갖고 이 사람들이 어디 가는지 모르겠네. 어디지? 찾았으면 좋겠는데. Bye. 웃겨. I'm moving. Oh my god. Chill. 갑시다.